So the results that I've created in my business prior to doing Ninja, I was between 10 to 15 million a year in production. After the first Ninja installation, I doubled that production. This year I'll close about 50 million in production. All of us that have taken Ninja, where we started and where we've gone to is amazing. It's inspired everybody to be more, be better.
You know, I had a great year last year and I want to improve. Yet at the same time, what I really want to do is I want to spend more time being me and not just working all the time. I will say Ninja has changed my life. It's been a terrific experience, and my recommendation to you is that you go ahead and you sign up for the program because it will change your life.
If you're on the fence and you're debating whether or not you think you should sign up for Ninja, the question is, how much do you want to improve your business? I did $67 million in sales with my team last year. We're on track to do 80 million this year. That's a tremendous bump in a year that's, there's been a bit of a downturn. It doesn't require someone having exceptional sales skills or being particularly charming. It's a system, and it's a system that anyone can pick up and use as long as they're diligent, and that is you're willing to follow through. So if you're watching this video and you're on the fence about signing up for a Ninja installation, I would strongly recommend doing it.
So I entered Ninja thinking I'd be really happy to duplicate what I did last year. About halfway through the Ninja program, I thought you need to set a stretch goal for yourself. So I did it, and the stretch goal was growing 10–12% over the prior year, but by the end of the year, my businesses had actually grown almost 30% in income and volume.
My husband had passed away, and I was trying to figure out how I was going to take care of my kids and myself, and it really just gave me the ability to know that I could do this business on my level of relationship building. It wasn't about sales. I never wanted to be a salesperson.
I am 4 million ahead of what I was last year. This last year we sold 89 properties. I think this year will probably be about 120 properties, another 4 or 5 million total over the year before. You can either take the time to try to figure it out yourself, or you can take 4 or 5 days and actually learn it and set yourself up for success a lot sooner.
Through Ninja, through the activities that I did for my business, I've learned to also apply those in my regular life. And so in Ninja, you're always looking to add value to your client. And so now in my real life, anytime I encounter someone, I'm always thinking about how can I add value to their life. If you take that a little further, that's what I want my kids to learn. I try to instill that in them as much as I can. It doesn't matter what the personality is. If you come to Ninja, they're going to give you techniques and systems that are going to help you with your business, and that I'm living proof that Ninja works.